everybody, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I'm Megan, and today I'm kind of doing just a fun little, I picked some colors and I'm going to go for it. And that's kind of just what I did. Not any more complicated than that tonight. So for my colors, I have Anita's Glow Yellow. I don't have a ton of it, but there it is. It's kind of, there we go. There's might be a couple little chunks in there. I may need to pause and put that through my strainer. And I also have some purple. It's just Art Skills. I got that one at Dollar General. That, I know yellow and purple, I'm being brave tonight, but look at these pretty colors. This is Folk Art Emerald Green. I have quite a bit of that, so I think it's going to be mostly this green color. And then one of my favorite colors, I have Deep Green Black in Anita's. I've used this a lot. It's just one of my absolute favorites. And then I am using this Wrought Iron, which I really liked with these colors, until I mixed it with my pouring medium. And of course, my pouring medium being Floetrol and matte medium, it adds white, so it lightens it up quite a bit. So I'm hoping once it dries and it's dark, I will like it again, because this dark gray is just not doing it for me. But I know it's gonna get darker when it dries, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I am gonna go with it. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so last minute I've decided to put a little bit of Oxgall watercolor medium in 3 of the colors. I don't have any additives in any of the colors. These are just paint, water, and my pouring medium mix of Floetrol and basic matte medium fluid. Medium. Okay, so I guess it's matte fluid medium. It's basic. It is right here, matte fluid medium. So I'm going to put some Oxgall lips in this because I would like it to do some bleeding. I'm not really necessarily trying for cells. I would kind of like more of a mystic kind of feel to it than a bunch of cells. So, and I've noticed with when I've used the Oxgall watercolor medium, I get more bleeding, ghosting as I like to call it. My favorite is when it really is a ghosting, where you see a color from under a color. I guess I kind of need a bit of, I do have some white mixed, and I have some silver that was already mixed on standby. There's not much, but I thought just in case I want to drizzle it on there a little bit. So I have that on standby, and I don't think, oh, I didn't mark that. I don't know if there's anything, well, let's see. Doesn't look like there's anything in that, because I've noticed when there's silicone or alcohol blending solution, it kind of pulls away from the sides of the cup. So, and that's not doing that. So I'm guessing there's not any in there. Okay, so I have Oxgall that I stir in those 3 colors. And I think I'm going to do a couple flip cups. Because not because of the wonderful wizard I am, but I'd like to do one big one, but I don't have, I have a wide cup, but I don't have, you know what, we should try, let's try it. I'm thinking, I want to try this again where I pour the colors in there, but I don't want this much negative space. So I'm thinking let's do a dirty pour and then pour in here. Maybe add a little white in this one and see how it goes. I don't know. Let's just go with it and see. I just don't want this much negative space. Of course, if I lift it, should we do one with a bunch of green negative space? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's do, hang on. Okay, I had to think about this for a minute because I really want to keep my yellow and my purple somewhat separate. I don't want to put all of, because if I do something in here, I don't want to put the yellow and the purple together because I don't want mud. So what I'm thinking about doing is using the green and the yellow, kind of a dirty pour, and then putting the purple, maybe even some of the wrought iron, and then using purple, yellow, or purple wrought iron, and this with maybe a little bit of white in here, and then lifting it up and seeing how it goes. This could be a total mess. Like a major total mess. So let's do the green and the yellow first. It's alright. Funky Fluid Friday can be a total mess. And a total fail. It's okay. It's what we're here for. You never know until you try and experiment, do ya? Those are really pretty together. I love that green. I wonder if Debbie at acrylic pouring would approve of my green because it's metallic. Let's see, I should ask her. Does being metallic cancel out the fact that it's green? I know she hates green, but she loves metallic. Okay. Things to ponder. Ooh. Okay, so let's do this. Let's pour this on. Should I do a flip? I'm going to do a flip. Not real crazy about dirty pours most of the time. Woo! And I don't think this is nearly enough to cover the whole canvas, but I'm hoping, let's spread it out. Boop! By the time I add the colors in this, it's going to be plenty. There wasn't as much in there as I thought. Anyway, it's alright. Because... Okay, let's just leave it like that for now. I can add white around the edges if I need. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, so let's start with some of this wrought iron. Go in with the purple. And I'm going to try and fill this up kind of high and then see what happens when it, it's unlike it's kind of like a flip cup, I guess, but I don't know. It'll act the same or not because I'm not like flipping the colors. So the bottom's going to be the bottom, the top's going to be the top. This is really pretty right in here. And some white. Probably should have checked that white to see if it needed some water since I mixed it quite a while ago. I don't want to add too much of this either because I don't want to overwhelm the painting with that dark color. More of this. I think I'm going to need all my paint, so. And where's my purple? And some purple. Let's add just a little bit more white because I kind of like the look of it in there. Let's add it right over here. That's pretty in there. Okay, ready? I assume it's going to take a bit for it all to come out. Well, maybe not. And when I used this last time, I did the opposite. I painted around it and left an empty space, a negative space of white on the inside. So this is a little bit different than the way I did it the first time. Okay. Let's see what happens when I tilt. Yeah, I'm getting more of that ghosting that I really like. It makes me happy. Oh, I really like this. Okay. I'm happy. I kind of like the way that the light green being all on this side kind of almost gives it ombre effect. I don't have some more yellow. I think I'm going to have to add a little bit of yellow to this corner. I'm going to do that and then I'll tilt a bit. Here's my paper towel. Ah! Okay. Add some more yellow here. Whoops, do I have more yellow? A little bit. And then I'm going to tilt some more. Am I in camera? I guess I am. Okay. And I have a little bit more green that I'm going to add. Just a little bit just to keep it mixing. So let's tilt this way just a little bit, and I'll probably tilt back to kind of maybe. I think I'll use a straw to get that area the way I like it. Okay, I'm going to wipe my hands off real quick. I'm not crazy about this line here, so I'm going to tilt just a little bit more this way to get the yellow in more, and then I'm going to tilt back that way. I'd kind of like to swipe, but I like that there are no cells. And I don't really want to swipe and get a bunch. So there's that. Let's go back this way. I want to keep some of that yellow, but I want to get rid of that line as much as I can. At least make it a little bit more wavy. That makes sense. Oop. Come back, yellow. Okay, I'm going to get a straw. Ooh, I love this over here. That was really cool. Using it in that. This is, if you're wondering, I guess I didn't say, this is a light fixture from a fan we took down. And we had the lights out in the garage, the fan out in the garage, and my husband took the lights fixture off of the fan and said, here you go. Because he figured I could use it for something. And I found a way to use it. So, and I'm already wanting to try that again because I love that. Kind of blur this line a little bit. Go, getting some yellow. Forgot to tie my hair back. Now I'm going to tilt some more so we don't have this line where it's, because I really don't want to use a straw anywhere over here because I really like it. But I also don't want just one spot where it looks like a different technique, which it is, but okay. Okay, let's see if I can get with the straw some of this wrought iron into or down to the bottom. That's what I'm going to try and do. getting cells. Stop, cells. Actually, I think if I can get it down, because I still have some of that yellow, and I really like that pop of yellow. And I'm going to look at it because I think that might have just... Yeah, I'm going to stop and check the sides. I'll give you some close-up. I'm going to stop right there. That is really, really pretty. And all this ghosting, I love, love, love the ghosting of colors. Look at that little stripy area. Okay. This is probably my favorite I've done in a very long time. I really, really like it. I'm getting some little pops right here, so we'll see how it dries. I bet if I torched it would go crazy, but I'm not going to because I don't want it to go crazy. So, close-ups. Okay, so let's start over here. A little bit of white is so cool. And I love the little stripes that it ended up with. I don't know. It looks kind of shimmery. That's where it's kind of popping through a little bit. I wouldn't call them cells, but some of that purple peeking through. And then down here where I use a straw. Look at that little stripy area. I love that spot. That's kind of cool. And then my pop of yellow. Okay, I cannot wait to try that light fixture again. Let me know what you think of that. Leave me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you liked it or you didn't like it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see when I post more videos, and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified. And we will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring!